What's up guys, it's your boy Justin Too Fast for you, back again with another quick addition to your car. So what I have for you guys today on my Camry, I'm going to add these little plates on the inside of the door handle. So it's really easy. Also, like in the other videos, they also have the double-sided tape. All you really have to do is obviously just take it out and then you just insert it and press. And you can do that for all sides of the doors. I'm honestly just going to show you one because it's all the same. So it'll be really quick. I got you guys. We got the tape off, now we're just gonna press and insert. There we go. And if you ever want to take it off, there's like this little piece over here. You can use a pen or something to wedge it out. So, pretty straightforward, really easy. Time to do the other doors. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It's always greatly appreciated. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Do you guys like the changes? Do you not like the changes? And, you know, it's Justin Too Fast for you. So, try to keep up. Alright, deuces.